Model: 2003 Volkswagen Transporter 2.5 TDI long MOT 6-seater crew cab body, yellow, panel van mileage, 288131 MOT, 5 October 2024 engine, 2461 cc E2 GAM QDP transmission, 5-speed manual, mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash and glow plug light. 1 or 2 glow plugs need replacing. This does not affect the usability of the vehicle in the slightest. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400